Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making our face look like a Christmas tree ornament. This is a collaboration video with my friend Tara from Tara_Beauty. I will of course have her video linked above and below for you to check out. She is my glitter sister, which is why it is very fitting for us to do a look together that centers around glitter. Because I think Christmas tree ornaments are glittery. Did I use as much glitter as I sometimes do? No, but it's still a lot and it's still exciting. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is clip these bangs out of the way to make it easier to work on the face. Probably could just like not have the wig on, but I kind of like the wig on when I do it, just for the full effect. So anyways, now we're gonna prime, and we're using Color Pop Pretty Fresh, and for eye primer we are using Morphe. Okay, now that we are primed, we are moving into concealer. We got the Color Pop Pretty Fresh. Okay, so for foundation, we are using Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion. So we're going to do eyebrows now, and I'm going to use this palette right here. This is just my luck, and I am going to use greens, probably these two greens right here too. Oh no, I might go in with this color too, maybe these two. Yeah, I think I'm going to use those two. Okay, so now we get some great eyebrows. We are moving into this right here. This is Hank & Henry's highlighter in Luster Dew, and it is very gold. So that is what we're doing. Okay, so we're going to move into this palette right here. This is Autumn Nights by, what was it? Yes, Glitter. And we're going to use this on the eyes now. And again, I'm trying to keep the eyes simple with this. So I think what I am going to do is I'm going to use this color here all over the lid. It's a Christmas tree ornament, so I'm okay with my base looking tacky. So I'm probably going to use this, yeah, this color down here, and then I'm probably going to use Bonfire, these two right here, and then, well, I'll do that and then decide. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with Marshmallow, and then I'm going to use this color Cider on the lid and accent a little bit in the corner with this berry. now that it's crazy looking, I am going to move on to some more stuff. It really looks like a bad tanning job, but that's okay. So I have with me stencils, and we are going to use them. So it has Christmas trees and all that stuff, and I am going to use that with, there's this really gorgeous green color in this palette here. This is, again, the Autumn Nights, and they have this nice pine color, and I'm going to use that with the Christmas tree shapes. Now I think I want extra shine with that. I have these right here. These are from Trifle Cosmetics. One of them is called Pistachio Butter and the other is Edible Gold. I think I'm going to use a little bit of that as well. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this bow underneath. I'm not sure what color I want to go with for this. I think, let me see what I have here. I think what I'm going to use is these two colors right here with the bow, this funnel color and this berry frosted color, and this is again an Autumn Nights palette by Yes Glitter. Okay, so I have this bell one, and I think I'm going to use this like that. I think I want to use the same colors on this as well. Okay, I think that's all I want to use for the stencils. I think I'm going to move into something else now. I have paint pods that I'm going to use. I'm going to start with this one here. This is Alien Abduction by PG Queen. This is water activated, and I'm going to start off with that. I'm not sure what I'm doing with it yet, but we'll decide. Okay, so that is it of that. We are going to use, I think, this red right here. This is also a water activated eyeliner. This is from OMFG. This is Red Velvet. So that is with the red. I think I'm going to take this gold color here and do some accents. This is also another liquid or water activated eyeliner, and this is an Anniversary Cake. It's kind of a gold color. Okay, so I think I want my trees to have a little bit more, so I think I'm going to use the Vanilla Cake water activated eyeliner, and I think I'm going to use this as well. This is Space Cake. So I'm going to use those two eyeliners and put some dots on my trees just to make it look like it has Christmas lights. Okay, so now we're moving on to the territory of glitter. So you're going to use this palette right here. This is Glitterholic by, well, it's by Glitterholic, but they have these two colors that I need, and that would be the green and the red, and of course the gold, and that is what I am using now. Okay, I think that is it on that. I think I want to do some eyeliner now. I'll find my eyeliner. Yeah, I'm going to use this right here. I might outline some of this because it kind of looks like a mess, but I'm going to eyeline my eyes and probably some of the stuff on my face too. So eyelining didn't work. I am just going to go ahead and use some mascara now, somewhere I have it. Here we go. Here's the mascara. It is Marc Jacobs. Okay, so I think I'm going to use some of these and put some of these on my face. Okay, so I think that is it as far as jewels. So I'm going to go ahead and put some lashes on. This is Fabulashes by Cara Beauty. Alright, so this is it of my Christmas tree ornament look. What do you guys think? Do you think I successfully look like a Christmas tree ornament? Let me know your thoughts below, and please do not forget to check my friend Tara's video out. I will, of course, will have it linked below and above for you. And that is it of this video. So if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and otherwise I hope to see you in my next video.